3DMedNet and Future Science Group are delighted to present the very first 3DMedLIVE. Held in London from the 2nd to the 3rd of October in 2019, we will be focusing on the surgical applications of 3D printing. 3DMedLIVE convenes a community of innovation and best practice for the surgical applications of 3D printing. We aim to facilitate conversation and the sharing of knowledge between professionals in the healthcare and supporting industries. With an advisory board boasting world-renowned experts in surgery, consultancy, biomedical engineering, regulation, as well as academia, we are excited to bring you a 360-degree perspective on the surgical applications of 3D printing. Leave the PowerPoint at home. With roundtables, case study presentations, and beyond the theatre conversations, we will be bringing you a fully immersive and collaborative experience with experts and people in the industry. So join us in October by visiting the 3DMedLIVE website at www.3dmedlive.com or start the conversation early via the 3DMedLIVE network on 3DMedNet.